Today we are talking about how to improve liver function naturally, specifically liver support foods. And I'm going to jump right in. The first one is alfalfa. You probably know I'm back in school to become a board certified naturopathic doctor. And alfalfa comes up over and over again as just this powerhouse food. And eventually, I'm going to get around to replacing anytime I have a salad using alfalfa, or at least supporting it with alfalfa. It is nature's multivitamin. It alkalizes the body, it detoxifies the body, and specifically the liver. Let's add some alfalfa. My mom used to make an alfalfa sandwich for me when I was little. It had pineapple on it too. It was really good. Next up is clover. And clover is another powerhouse. I probably shouldn't even say this, but one of my professors was saying that she heard somewhere, so this is not gospel. She heard somewhere that if you're like lost in the wilderness, that you can survive like 10 days eating clover. It upsets me that we kill clover with pesticides. Obviously, this is something that bees love. And it is delicious in a tea, and you can even eat actually all parts of the clover, even the roots. And the flowers specifically support the liver and the skin. Red clover is really another multi-purpose herb. It's a great cleanser. It cleanses the blood, the liver, and the kidneys. I have only seen this in tea and supplements. I haven't seen this as just edible, but maybe in your part of the country or world, you do have red clover that you can eat. And then the last one I'm really going to talk about is berberine. Berberine helps with the metabolism. It's also great for the liver, and it helps with bowel movements. It can also help with sugar cravings. If you've heard me talk about the MetaPower system at all, you've heard me talk about berberine. It's specifically in our MetaPower Assist, and we take it before our highest carb or highest calorie meal. And that's because it helps with metabolism, it helps with sugar cravings, it helps regulate that blood sugar and keep it balanced. And it's also going to help us with our bowel movements. So all of that kind of goes to metabolism, all of that kind of goes to weight loss in some way. But metabolism doesn't just mean weight loss. But if you've listened to me about MetaPower, you probably came to me for that. So let's talk about some supplements that I really highly recommend, and specifically for the liver, but it's going to do other organs too. And one of those, Zindecrine Detoxification Complex. For the liver, because you're here for the liver, the barberry root extract, the milk thistle seed extract, the burdock root extract, clove flower extract, which we've talked about, dandelion root extract, it's an amazing cleanser. That's another powerhouse herb. Garlic bulb extract and red clover, which we talked about, are all part of this, specifically geared to help support the liver. But it also helps detox the kidney, the colon, the lungs, and the skin. And I'll put the link to the product information guide so you can really read about this in the show notes. And this complex goes great with the Zindecrine essential oil blend, and I recommend taking this in a capsule if you feel like you just need a nice cleanse. And this combines rosemary, cilantro, and juniper berry, and all of those are known for internal detoxification properties, and specifically to support liver, kidney health and function. And then it also has tangerine and geranium, and these have purifying effects, and it is also going to help really cleanse the body of toxins, of free radicals. And when we have these toxins and the free radicals, this can slow the body's systems down. So any of the organs, the metabolism, and it's almost like leaving this heaviness and this weight that the body has to deal with. And both these endocrines together are going to be able to clear that out so all the organs in the systems can run smoothly. So you can add 1 to 2 drops in your drinks and your tea and your water. If you don't like cilantro, you probably won't like the taste of this, so then I would recommend it in a gel. And then you can even just rub it on the abdomen or the bottoms of the feet, and it's going to help with that detoxification. Please reach out by email if you have any questions. Please follow or subscribe, and I'll see you next time.